Hey, I'm Chini. And welcome to Chini's World.
Hey cutie, so today I'm going to show you some failed projects that I had laying around and just forgot about. So first is this bed sheet that I forgot to soak when I was tie-dyeing. I messed up and I did not like the result. So here is me attempting to tie-dye some other shirts as well. This project was not the best. Then this BTS shirt that I bought didn't really even want the tie-dye. And then I tie-dyed this towel, and here's me revealing the ugliness. After this, I forgot all about this project because it was a total fail. After a while, I got back to it, and this is how the sheet turned out, and I liked the result. While I watched some High School Musical, I thought of drawing some BT21 characters because I thought it was a little bit too plain. Ta-da! This is what it looks like with all the characters. Pretty cute. Also, this is how the towel turned out, and I really liked it. Then I merged my other two fails, which was the BTS one and this one, and this is how it turned out. So I had this jean jacket last year. I got it at a Goodwill, and I really didn't like how it fit, and I always wanted a cropped one, so that's what I'm doing here. And here's me engrossed watching High School Musical again. So all I'm doing is just dressing it, and then I just added a little bit of these blue beads on the cuffs, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. I didn't really want anything else for it. So my dad had this jacket that he got last year in December, and I just wanted to like cover the little mark thing. I don't know what it's called. And after some Eric Nom and a lot of sketching, I finally figured out what I wanted. So what I picked was the poison apple from Snow White. And this is how it turned out. And then what I just did is I cut it, glued it with fabric glue, and then I added some gems. I also had this shirt lying around, so what I did is I just cropped it so I can wear it when I wear spaghetti straps. All I did is just moved the patches around and did a hem, and that's pretty much it. I do plan on adding yellow rhinestones to the buttons in the future. Here's another failed project. I didn't want the fabric to go to waste, so I kept staring at it. I think I can make scrunchies with these. And that's when I came up with that idea. And I in fact did scrunchies. They look too plain, so the first one, what I'm doing is that I'm going to add Blossom. I chose Blossom because the girls and I are called the Powerpuff Girls, and I was assigned Blossom because I fit that personality, and I'm not mad at it. So enjoy this little montage of me just painting her. So this is how it turned out. It could be a little bit better, but it's okay. And because I'm extra, I'm adding little rhinestones in the color pink to match the aesthetic. And this is how this one turned out. I do have more scrunchies, which I'll make a different video for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. Bye!